Crystal by Ed Sheeran on Amazon Music.
You see tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, then to rinse and repeat it all again. I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm driving on stars and we're dancing out in space. Celestial.
Alright, guys. This one's one of my favorites. One of my favorite prehistoric mammals. Tonight we're going to draw Macrauchenia. Macrauchenia was one of the first ever prehistoric mammals that I ever got to see live in action. Its first debut was on Walking with Prehistoric Beasts. Basically, it's an ancestor of camel, only it has a really long nose. Don't let the nose fool ya. It's actually really fast.
We were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel we were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million.
There we go. There's Macrauchenia's foot.
You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out in space. Celestial.
There we go. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alright, there's his foot.
See tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, then to rinse and repeat it all again. I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million.
Now we just fill in the lower half.
You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing.
And there he is. That's how you draw Macrauchenia. One of my favorite prehistoric mammals. You deserve that title, man. I love it. That's all for now, folks. I got the picture off of the... did you know that Walking with Prehistoric Beasts has its own sticker book? Yeah, I've kept it up for all these years. It's still in one piece. Mwah! This episode is brought to you by BBC Video.